Today, the blockchain industry offers many options for making money in addition to investing and trading. Today we will talk about some of them. Mining is the process of securing the network and receiving rewards for the work done by miners. This way of earning money requires a lot of computing power. Mining is the oldest method of generating income in the crypto world and one of the most expensive. Staking is a less resource-intensive process than mining. Often this is holding a control amount of cryptocurrencies on a specific wallet and performing various network functions, for example, such as verifying transactions to receive rewards. Another unique way of passive earnings is lending. Lending is a passive way of earning interest from the amount of stored cryptocurrency assets in the wallet. A Masternode is a server operating within a decentralized network. It has more functionality than other nodes. As a rule, Masternodes require a fairly large initial investment and technical knowledge to install and run them. Whichever option you choose, remember, the main thing is safety.